The rich people aren't lucky. They are trained to spot what you ignore. Profitable opportunities. While you are scrolling, they are observing trends, turning skills into income, and flipping smart ideas into cash. Do you want it? Here's how to start. Spot trends before they blow up. Use Google Trends and listen to complaints. Turn your skill into a business. Writing, coaching, graphic design. Someone is paying. Before starting anything, ask, is there demand? No competition. Profit margin. Can it scale? Money is everywhere. You just have to train your eyes to see it. Follow me for more real world money moves. Let's build your income IQ and turn your skills into cash flow. If you have ever said, I wish I had started that business earlier, or why didn't I think of that? This video is for you. Today, I will show you how to recognize profitable opportunities, whether it's spotting trends, monetizing your skill, or analyzing the next big idea before it blows up. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Let's go. Welcome to Success Strategies with Wale Akin. Be sure to like, to comment, to subscribe, and share for more success strategies. One of the keys to financial success is knowing how to identify and seize profitable opportunities. Wealthy people are not just lucky, they are trained themselves to see opportunities where others see obstacles, whether in business, in investment, or career choices. The ability to spot trends, use your skill for income, and evaluate business ideas wisely can set you apart. In this video, you will learn how to identify trends and imagine market before they become mainstream, how to turn your skills and your talent into income, and how to analyze business ideas and ventures to determine their profitability. Identifying trends and emerging markets. A trend is a shift in consumer behavior, technology, or business that creates new money-making opportunities. Those who spot and act on those trends early often gain huge financial reward. How do you identify profitable trends? Observe consumer behavior. What products or services are people spending money on? What problems are people complaining about? What new habits are developing in society? Follow industry news and reports. Read business news, trade magazines, and market research reports. Use Google Trends, social media, and online forums to track what people are discussing. Look at global and local economic shifts. Changes in technology, government policy, or environmental factors create opportunities. For example, the rise of remote work created massive opportunities for online businesses, digital services, and e-learning. Network with experts and entrepreneurs. Surround yourself with successful people who have business insights. Attend seminars, workshops, and business network events. Think about the future. Ask yourself, what will people need in the next 5 to 10 years? For example, electric vehicles, AI tools, and sustainable products are becoming industry. Turning skill into income. You don't need a business degree to make money. Your talent, your experience, and skill can be monetized. Many people are sitting on hidden gold mines without realizing it. How can you turn your skill into profit? Number one, identify your strength. What are you naturally good at? Is it writing, teaching, coding, designing, speaking, and etc.? What do people often ask you for help with? What skill have you developed through work or hobbies? Number two, research demand for your skill. Are people already making money with this skill? Check freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and all the rest. Check online courses, Udemy, Teachable, and job board to see what is in demand. Step 3. Choose a business model. Is it freelancing? Offer your skill as a service. That's writing, graphic design, or product creation. You can sell digital products like ebook and online courses. It can be in form of coaching or teaching. You can offer coaching or training. Is it a service-based business? So you can start a business offering solution like marketing, repairs, and tutorial. Step 4, market yourself. Create an online presence. Offer free value to attract potential customers. Step 5, scale your income. Automate or expand your business. Hire people, create passive income stream. Diversify by adding more services or products. For example, if you love writing, you can make money through freelance writing, blogging, publishing, ebook, or starting a copywriting business. If you are great at fitness, you can offer online coaching, create workout program, or sell fitness related products. Not every money making idea is profitable. Before starting a business or investing, you need to evaluate whether it's worth your time and money. So how can you evaluate a business opportunity? You first ask, is there a market demand? Who need this product or services? Are people currently paying for it? Can you solve a specific problem better than competitors? What is the competition like? If no one else is doing it, ask why. If too many people are doing it, think about how can you stand out. What are the cost versus potential profit? How much money will you need to start? How soon can you start making a profit? Will the profit be worth the effort? Is it scalable? Can you grow the business over time without working 24/7? Are there ways to expand? What are the takeaways? Look for trends and emerging market to stay ahead of the game. Monetize your skill by turning what you already know into income. Evaluate business ideas carefully before investing your time or your money. Position yourself for success by continuously learning and adapting to market changes. Identify one profitable skill you have and research how to make money from it. Look for trends in your industry and think about how you can benefit from them. Evaluate any business ideas you have using the profitability checklist. By applying these strategies, you will train your mind to recognize money-making opportunities everywhere and take bold steps towards financial success.